we've been hearing that Touch ID would make its way onto the best Apple Watches. But even if it does, don't expect this to be announced at this year's WWDC or Apple's September event. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech place. A leaker suggested on Weibo that Apple's plans for the Touch ID feature are false. They wrote that news about wearable devices like the Apple Watch will be equipped with biometric authentication are purely rumors, saying Apple still prioritizes using the iPhone to unlock other devices. It makes a lot of sense to keep the phone as the central hub, bringing all your accessories together, but a Touch ID feature could be tempting. The LTE-capable Apple Watch could act as a mini phone, keeping your contacts, messages, and wallet all close to hand when you leave your house without your phone. Biometric security is something logical to be added, but it remains a niche use case, especially since the watch already locks itself with a passcode when removed from your wrist. However, the leaker claims Apple isn't focusing on this right now. They say Apple's current focus is on larger batteries and refining its advanced health sensors. Adding a fingerprint sensor only adds unnecessary cost and takes up battery space. That's good news for Apple Watch users, regardless they get Touch ID or not. Since these smartwatches are used as daily wear, it's only fair that battery gets the main attention for now. Who knows? All the future watches could get Touch ID, but for now, health sensors and battery life are taking the spotlight. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.